Hello, and welcome to this anynines video series, where we will see the highlights of a8s, the platform that we built to run data services like PostgreSQL, Kafka, and many more natively on Kubernetes. We will cover a wide range of features, from data service instance provisioning to taking backups and using them to perform restores, application bindings, observability of your data service instances, and many more. Each video in the series covers a single feature and is self-contained, so that you can jump directly to the videos that interest you the most. a8s is currently in beta, so if you want to try it, check out our website. We currently support PostgreSQL and are already adding more data services, as our goal is to have a large portfolio. See you in the next video, and let us know your thoughts by commenting in any of our media channels.